Well, I can burn in the morning light. The great wings spread wide over the side, soaring high above the trees, dancing with a gentle breeze. I like the birds for how they fly across the canvas of the sky. With every flap, the rain change and remind us life's not in vain. I like the birds when they sing, their melodies make my heart breathe. A symphony of pure delight in the quiet of the night. I like the birds that feel this night, that glimpse of hope in the darkest night. With every song they set us free, it shows us who we're meant to be. I like the birds in the morning light, their wings spread wide. Oh, what a sight! Soaring high above the trees, dancing with the gentle breeze. I like the birds, oh how they fly across the canvas of the sky. With every flap, they break the chains and remind us life's not lived in vain. I like the birds when they sing their melodies, make my heart pure delight in the quiet of the. I like the birds in the morning light, their wings spread wide. Oh, what a sight! Soaring high above the trees, dancing with the gentle breeze. I like the birds, oh how they fly across the canvas of the sky. With every flap, they break the chains and remind us life's not lived in vain. I like the birds, oh how they fly across the canvas of the sky. With every flash, they break the chains and remind us life's not lived in vain.